help me see the things that you do say more than words can say. Your silence speaks to me in the sweetest way. I feel the pull of your heart, your touch. When I'm lost, your love will find me. When you're broken, I'll lift you up. Two hearts beating in the same dream softly. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah, hold up. I was running from truth, now it's running me down. Every thought of you got me stuck in the ground. Trying to breathe, but I'm lost when you're not around. Hear your voice in the silence, it's haunting me now. Yeah, I was blind, couldn't see what I had in my hands. Let it slip while I chased every meaningless plan. Now I'm standing alone, trying to be a better man. But the echo of your love still don't understand. Damn, every night I replay what I should've said. Every fight, every lie still stuck in my head. If I could rewrite time, I'd rewrite us instead. Bring life back to the love that I left for dead. Wait, now I'm breaking the cycle, I'm changing the pace. Every tear that you cry put a crack in my faith. Now I'm fighting myself just to get to your space. If love's a war, I'ma bleed just to see your face. I was blind to the truth in your eyes, chasing dreams, letting love pass me by. Now I'm standing in the mirror asking why did I let the best thing in my life just fly? You were patient when my soul was cold, gave me light when the night got old. Now I see your love's pure gold, and I'm done running. You're my home, my soul. I'm burning up like the sun through rain, can't slow it down. This love's insane. My thoughts are wild and my breath runs dry. You're the only peace that can calm my mind. I feel the pull of your heart, your touch. When I'm lost, your love will find me. When you're broken, I'll lift you up. Two hearts beating in the same dream softly. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nights get cold when you're not here. Whisper prayers, hoping you'll appear. Every shadow looks like you, my dear. Every heartbeat's crying, wish you were near. All the songs that we used to play still echo in my chest today. And I swear if I could find a way, I'd trade my pride just to make you stay. You're the rhythm that moves my soul, the one I need to make me whole. Every heartbeat calls your name, and I'll never be the same. Now I'm walking through the storm, but I see your light. Learn that love ain't weak, it's fire. You taught me how to heal, how to rise from pain. Now